I did 2 co-op terms here at Eclipse.
I did 2 full-time co-op terms here.
So I did my co-op for 6 months.
Being able to test run a job for 4 months at a time really let me know that it was right for me.
The difference between co-op and full-time now is
Not a huge difference between what I was asked to do as a co-op
pretty much the same when it comes to what you're actually doing.
and what I'm being asked to do as a full-time employee.
It gave me an opportunity to see what the company was all about.
When you do your co-op for that time, you really get used to the company's sort of way how they do things.
Almost like a prolonged interview.
Co-op is a really good way to sort of blend work and school together and make that transition sort of easier.
I feel like I've had a really good look at
Just the general workflow of an engineering office, just what goes on and what you need to do day to day.
the design decisions that get made and why without having to take on those responsibilities myself yet.
It's been really good to me in terms of easing the transition from school to work.
Having that co-op experience really led people to kind of see what could be available and lead to full-time work.